Good morning. Happy Friday. We have Hadia. I think this one is from Jiddu Muhammad. Min Sisi Jiddu. Min Tita, grandfather Min Sisi. And this one is, I think this one, if I'm not mistaken, is for me. This one is for me. Yeah, it's good kasi winter na. And this one also, pajama for Celine. Pajama. Okay. For Celine. And this one also. Yeah. Oh, you see? Oh.
This one for me?
Yeah. Pajama for Sisi. Say thank you ikaw to Jiddu Muhammad and Tita May. Thank you for the gift. Because it's winter already, so they use na the pajama like this. Okay, so Sisi just wake up, and now after that one, we are excited of that. We are excited of the, what's that? Hadia, the pajama. You can use that one when you go to Erbil. Okay, Celine. And this one also, the plug is yesterday. Last night, we are watching football. They're down. Yeah, eh. Oi, what's that? So now, look. We are here pa inside. Me, I finished already the small balcony and the sala. I just slight cleaning only because now it's Friday weekend, so everybody is here, and I make only more cleaning if Sunday. Start from Sunday to Thursday, because Saturday sometimes I make clean all around, but it depends inside here. Okay, so again,
it's 9:09.
9:09. Happy weekends to everyone. So I don't know what time is it now. Now here we have our, I think it's almost 7:30 na. Oh, this one also is from Jiddu Muhammad also. The alarm clock. Okay, that's one. So now, when I finish here to the bathroom, we prepared now our breakfast, assorted breakfast, any breakfast, only what we have. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and happy weekends dito sa Iraq. Happy weekends because here in Baghdad it's weekend. Friday and Saturday. Sunday is the first day of the school here. Yeah, nice, huh? Oh, there's a light. So thank you again. Look, I have my thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, and bye. Keep safe. God bless us all. Dito pala yun dapat to. Thank you. God bless us all and keep safe to every one of us. Yela, bye. Happy weekends with your family, with your friends, all members of the family, or maybe not only for the member of the family, for the all friends, barkadas, tropa, or whatever. Strict pala. Okay. Yela. Si bye-bye na. We cannot fix pa. Yeah, wow, very nice. Huh? Okay, yela. Bye-bye again. Bye-bye.